Ebusuanfoɔ mema mo nyinaa akwaba eba Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesremo like, a comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusuanfoɔ. Adeɛ bi kɔ so a. He say Ghana deɛ. Adeɛ a yɛfrɛ no soul sourcing. He say akɔ bibia mu. Ufa ha soul sourcing, ufa ha soul sourcing. To the extent say even adia eye football ayedi GA ni no so sourcing NDC for so sourcing ni akọ di eye blasters sense musa omu ya say football amaye omu ya say football na amaye na odwuma won ti ase won say nema bi wo ho a eya the best ni say you keep them away from air politics. Right? Because say Black Stars ekoko ball baby. Na ebia mo wini. Na sa victory anka say bia ye Ghana ni bia yen rejoicing. Na ye ka say oh omo ya die. Na sa victory who what na se ka je me say winning Black Stars winning no. Because Aban Papa Aban, it said they said near Beku Santana. And then in Crawford car, Any Udi blasters of victory. Eddie winning political point. And yes, sir. And to me, as well, me MPP Nino say blasters echo ball, oh baby. Na echo bane say, Omuri, no more report on swa. Let me, I can say, Abanya Otenasono, Omobal Lackenti. Now, the moment we start doing all this back and forth about the sports, it will discourage the players. Yeah, about discourage the players, it will get to a place where now, even national team selection, like I said, one NDC, player ben NDC, player ben MPP. Is that the kind of place I ever say, on my Ghana, enko do. Is that where we want to take this whole political thing? Eko? She, na me bubble pa. Na me bubble. My mom is Ghana ha. Can say, what person call ball and all those things. The environment is not really ready to push that dream or that vision of yours. And at an early stage, I had to just drop it. Yes, sir. And to me sure, what I'm coming to say, don't get it twisted. Even though me per ball as no, if you give me the chance, say, between 13 million US dollars, yeah, Black Stars of Ghana, I then, my budget is a spend here US, Mexico, ni Canada. Sasika. And I say, if I go to bed, Emma Kolebu, who teaching hospital, come for noche. I will choose if I go to bed. Because at least, they go to bed. There who soon fast. Because you go for Ghana for to make call hospital. Hey, I could always wade. Ebusuanfoɔ. Same way. When you 19 say movie call studio no. We nyina entia enti pamucho mu boaye why na ban na screen asey mu bebre mo hye yebo pamucho mu boaye. As I was saying, Ghana for me call admission hospital no makoda form. By the time I ever attended to you yare a wafa free form worse than yare edi wa bampo. Na Black Stars kakra edbe GA ni nso na NDC for edible politics. And say, Omakwa re 5-1 no. Saba papa na ba. Ya ba papa. Bad luck aban, Austria. Akanya sema Austria for ball ben na omunimbo. Austria for. Guy we pay Alaba. Obo me a meeting Madrid. Ono na yenim free Austria. Right. Any Anotovich because say we nyini papa penia on him shibo. Much am I 5-1. makofa soul source coach soul source coach mo pere good result mo treso ni man papa so let's go and listen to a beautiful conversation. I'll see you in the next one, but before then please remember eguso your contributions no for your studio ida mo nyina se na mo boaye na me hira mo na ba na was screen ase. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
So, and propaganda NDC for especially Sammy Jenfini John Jenapo. Eyetia Dr. Baomia for 3 solid years. Kontompo nsɛm nsɛm a yɛnim a wɔn kato na so digbu na ne mu ase sei ne den twɛn na boɔ so for 3 solid years about multi-purpose dam ayɛyɛ wɔ Pwalugu ɛno apɛ within 1 minute nyankopɔn ɛde expose NDC for or the go ma ne mu ase wa NDC for ho ntoma ma wiase nyina hu sɛ NDC for nye ni papa NDC for trimu osum NDC for yɛ widifo NDC ni betimi akum sunsun akum kra akum nipadua NDC ni betimi akyekere asɛm ato so a woyi wano bia enye yie da. That is what they did to Dr. Baomia, but eno apɛ nyankopɔn yi omo so ahanhan eno a John Jenapo energy minister call parliament assurance committee anim honorable iditi busa ne say mu opposition na mo say Dr. Baomia ne MPP for abo Pwalugu multi-purpose dam project ni mu kro no ene mu aba mu hwehwɛ mu akwa akosisen mu evidence wehen John Jenapo ba bibie na no a oso obi a mbokoro no contractor ne ye adwuma na so MPP for antam sika bia ama no many video na kire ba before then no tie Kwasi asɛm asame Jenfi omo opposition or kato Dr. Baomia so that stupid boy that thief asame Jenfi kromfo na NDC for man appointment within 2 months no asesa be 180 million Ghana cedis akogu ni CD account mu no asesa dollars millions of dollars akwakogu ni dollar account mu na opese we change account name no call ni PAD that stupid guy, that corrupt guy, that kromfo no same Jenfi kromfo no muntie Kwasi asɛm a wɔka eto Dr. Baomia so ensɛm a enim krono a wɔde to Dr. Baomia so ebra no mo opposition obra na woni evidence bia muntie no mu wi amon
for the benefit of tomorrow is being wasted, is being stolen by a few select people in office. And that is the story, the sad story of the Pwalugu Dam. It shows how dishonest, hypocritical, duplicitous Alhaji Baomia is.
Ono Sami Jenfi no, eze Dr. Baomia eye kromfo. All can say Kwasi asɛm no ni evidence bi wo, but okay. Now, yentie John Jenapo concession will make you assurance committee na anywhere about this same project, this same issue.
The Pwalugu dam contractor was paid $11.9 million. Have you, it may not directly have fallen under your ministry in the previous government, but because of the electricity generation component, I believe you have an interest, and so you will have followed it. Have you done audit to see whether the contractor was paid for work done, or that you believe that he bolted away, as you put it?
So far, our preliminary investigation shows that the contractor was not paid for the work done.
So this brief statement, John Jenapo make here, I kill 2 fundamental propaganda. NDC for no more yet here, Dr. Baomia, any MPP, a brand no more opposition. Near the kind. NDC for no more say, Pwalugu multi-purpose dam, edwuma bia nkoso. Na ne dede na MPP for ye dede na Dr. Baomia ye project no na exist only on paper na akọ ground so na edwuma bia nkoso contractor na anya edwuma bia. Ne etoso mienu. Na omo se contractor na anya hwe na so MPP for ya sese sika twitwiri de edi ama no. Ye ne na ko na ebe aboga na kro no. Nti omo be ti Dr. Baomia omo be ti MPP for agu. But then we see John Jenapo they kind of say edwuma koso pa there was work done contractor na ye edwuma na etoso mienu o se contractor na edwuma o ye nyina akiri MPP kra ama no wan si dimpo MPP ama ne sika bia enti saa entro anu mu twa se Pwalugu dam no edwuma bia nkoso wo honom contractor na anya edwuma bia na so ya tam sika twitwiri di ama no ene John Jenapo nankasa ba be explosion mo hey NDC mesha hawa Dr. Baomia na niku project we hu na oye say ebetimi aboa the people up north, the northern part of Ghana, to invest a lot of time and energy, cracking his brain. Epe omo betimi afund the project and almost share. Now along the line, COVID by there was a global economic crisis in the affected. One more funding projects and now if you are more nasi. Now we share how Dr. Baumia committee a lot of energy trying to secure other funding to make sure the project never cost. Now NDC if we end touchline a propaganda a chant talk cancer a dinner tamo china bosso bono chrono. Chese as if you move and then omenya power. Ye be so man now no. Omo kanokore. Sami Jenfi. On Juma e de baby din on chrono no obo good board. He may think say he's gone scot free, but certain things are in yamba bonte. But I can assure him, say very soon he will run. Very soon, Sami Jenfi.